Today, I'll tell you about ADS, one of the best apps available on Play Store. Let me show you how to use this app. Open ADS app. Click on Manage Container. Click on Create New Container. Click on Change and select Veracrypt. Select where you want to store this container. Type the name of this container. Let's change the container password. Enter container size. Remember, you can store the same amount of data inside it. Click on top right corner. Container is ready. You can move this container wherever you want to store it. Let's copy some data inside it. I use the inbuilt file manager in this app. You can also copy files using Share Dialog, available in Android. You can watch the progress in notification area.